Hey, John Cristani here, and I'm going to be going over with you today 7 reasons why you should start doing affiliate marketing literally right now, and why right now is the best time to get started. Besides the money you can make with affiliate marketing, of why to get started and just how easy it is to do this business model. Let's go. Woo! Who here is doing affiliate marketing? First off, let me know in the comments if you've been doing affiliate marketing and trying out this business model. It's what I do for a living. I make millions of dollars per year doing this business model. Now, I already wrote up the first reason why you should start doing affiliate marketing now. And the reason is because you're doing it already. Okay? What you have to understand is you're already recommending products to people, or recommending somebody say, get this book, you need to listen to this podcast, or go to this movie, or try out this new blender or food. You're already telling people things every day. Okay, so why not make money from the product recommendations you're already doing? Right? It makes no sense that you are helping grow other people's businesses, but you are not getting any money for it. And for those of you who don't know what affiliate marketing is it's putting up a link to a product. It's whenever you recommend a product, you give somebody a link and you get paid if they end up buying that product or whatever it is, going to that movie or getting a book, etc. So you're doing it already, get paid for it. Now, the second reason why to get started in affiliate marketing is it's freaking easy. You're already posting links. You're already posting on social media. You're already writing emails. You're already communicating with people. So it's just very easy to just sign up for an affiliate network. There's lots of affiliate networks you can sign up for. In the description, there's a number of affiliate networks that you can sign up for right now. So you want to get started making money from your recommendations. Join the affiliate networks in my description. Join them all because you'll get more products to recommend. So I remember when I got started and I was sitting in college in marketing class. I was at Southern Methodist University out in Dallas, and I was listening to the professor, and they're talking about something along the lines of, color theory and magazines and like what colors pop in a magazine ad. And I just was sitting in class and I looked around the classroom and I noticed almost everybody was on their phones. And, they'd hold their phones below their desk, and I just look around and everybody's just on Facebook or texting or something like that. And I remember thinking to myself, I was trying to justify why this college experience was important. And I was thinking to myself, well, you know what? They're not paying attention. They're not getting the knowledge. But, this is useful information. But the more I thought about it, the more I realized, I said, this isn't. The only way you can make money doing magazine ads is if you work for a big ad agency. And how that was, and getting a job for a big ad agency. And I remember thinking, that's such a bad way to do things. I don't want a job. I want to learn marketing so I can make money. And I saw all these people on Facebook, and I thought, why are we not learning how to do Facebook? Why are we not learning how to market on Facebook or Snapchat or Twitter? And it just, something clicked for me, and I was just, I lost interest in college, and I said, this is stupid. Why am I learning? I'm just learning how to work for somebody in a job when I should be learning real marketing, how to really reach people the way they're already using media, the marketing they're already engaging with. Nobody's reading magazines. Nobody reads magazines anymore. And that just made sense to me. And at that point, I kind of dedicated myself, and I was like, I'm going to figure this out on my own. I'm not going to, and I realized that college wasn't going to teach me how to learn. Now, in this channel, I go over, I try to kind of give you that education that I never had, keep that in mind. So make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and also like this video if if you had a similar experience, and if you're looking to just self-educate yourself. make yourself better. Investing in yourself, investing in your brain, investing in your skills and your knowledge is the most important thing you can do. You can never go wrong investing in yourself. Now, the third reason to start affiliate marketing is it is cheap, okay? You can do this. It's cheap or free, okay? It is by far the easiest way to reach people. As I said, you can post links yourself. You can go on your Facebook. You can go on Twitter. You can go on all of these sites you're already using and use them to market to people. Now, what's the alternative, right? If you want to sell products, if you want to start a business, is you have to go and meet people person to person. You have to actually talk to people, going to networking events, or go to conferences, or go to conventions. And going places costs a lot of money, and it takes a lot of time. And you might not want to speak in front of people and say, "Hey, Walter, let me tell you about how great of a product it is and why you should do business with me." You probably don't want to do that. So it's so much easier and more effective to market online to start your business. It just makes sense. Now, the fourth reason to get started in affiliate marketing is there is not a lot of competition. Now, look at the number of video views on this channel. The biggest affiliate marketing channels only have a couple 100,000 subscribers, whereas people trying to learn how to motivate themselves or work a job or go to school or do anything else, millions of people watch those, sales or whatever. Marketing is very unsaturated. In fact, I teach a lot of methods on my channel. I encourage you to actually subscribe and watch my playlist. I'm going to have my Filipinos put it up somewhere, about free traffic methods. In this playlist, in this series of videos, I expose a lot of different ways you can get free traffic using social networks and other sorts of websites online. But I see it all day long, and I try to expose these things to help you grow your business and also help me grow mine, because we're working together here. Now, people understand how to post an ad on Facebook. I think a lot of people talk about that. But what people don't understand is Facebook group marketing, or LinkedIn marketing, or using Eventbrite to get your links out, or Meetup.com to get your links out, using DeviantArt to get your links out. These are all platforms I named that have over 50 million users on them, and nobody's doing affiliate marketing on them. Why? The reason is that this is an unsaturated industry. People still haven't figured out all of the places where you could do affiliate marketing, but I'm exposing them here on my channel to help you grow your business and also to help me grow mine, because we are working here together. This is the only YouTube channel. Thumbs up for being a subscriber to the only YouTube channel that is focused on helping you make more money. This is a mutually beneficial thing. We're both making money here. So thumbs up to be part of the only YouTube channel that has the correct incentives to help everyone make a lot of money. Now, the fifth reason to get started in affiliate marketing is it is worldwide, okay? That's 2 W's for worldwide. So as long as you have a connection to the internet, you can go on the internet and post links. And as long as you are, there's a ton of affiliate networks you can sign up for. Not every affiliate network works with every country. So I suggest you join every one you can and see which ones you get approved to. The links are in the description. I have a ton of affiliate networks you can join. Sign up for them all. Now, the sixth reason to learn about affiliate marketing and to get started is the actual process of marketing itself is actually a great way to learn about sales. So, any business needs sales. If you're going to be an entrepreneur, you're going to be doing sales. Bare basic fact. The money is going to come from one person over to you. Somehow you're going to get the money or you're going to get a commission, but there's going to be some way with affiliate marketing that you need to get the money. Sales and marketing are intimately related, and marketing is actually I believe it's harder than sales, because sales, you have kind of that pressure, right? If I'm standing in front of you, it's going to be more difficult to say no. Also, it shows that I went out of my way to meet you or whatever. With marketing, you have to be tactical. You have to make good use of social proof or funnels or urgency or scarcity or risk reversals or benefits or problems and solutions. You have to know all of these things, and you have to do them well. And marketing and affiliate marketing especially is going to help you learn so much about everything that's involved in doing sales. I've never been good at sales. I had a cold calling job around college time, and I had to do 100 calls a day. That was my first job out of college, actually. And I just remember it was, I got hired in this boiler room. It was like 50 guys. It was like mostly guys. I think there were like 2 or 3 women. But it was just a room of 50 guys just hitting the phones every day. 100 calls a day was our quota. So I had to call 100 strangers every day and try to pitch them this product. And I'd call up dentists and doctors and accountants and lawyers and just try to sell them this stuff and advertising packages. And it was just mind-numbing, and I got hung up on every time. Really, you really start doubting yourself. Like, it's very rare to get rejected 100 times a day, but you do that in a cold calling job. It was kind of like Wolf of Wall Street, and that sucked, and I just couldn't get sales. I think I got like 2, but I never paid my salary. I was making commission only, so I was making only like a couple $100 a month, and it was really pathetic. And I knew that I realized I sucked at sales. But in the process, after that, I went into marketing. And what I realized is, over the years as I've done marketing, I've been doing affiliate marketing for 10 years now, I've gotten good, and I've realized that I understand sales more intuitively, and I can grow businesses because I got started in affiliate marketing. And in fact, many business owners I know got started, no matter what they're doing, with affiliate marketing. Now, the last reason to do affiliate marketing is there's absolutely nothing to lose, okay? You can't, if you use free traffic methods and you go to my free traffic playlist, you don't have to spend any money doing it, but you can earn real money. It's kind of like a video game if you use that kind of mental model. And I like to use mental models when I'm doing things. It's a video game. You're posting links, and don't be attached to the outcome is really important. But you just do it, and you have nothing to lose, and you have no outcome to be attached to. You're going to become successful, and you're going to make real money, and it gets really fun. And once you start figuring out, maybe you found out, ooh, like this is an unsaturated niche, deviant art, doing affiliate marketing there. Ooh, I can use Eventbrite to sell webinars. That's a untapped niche. And you start finding your path, and you start getting better, and you start making more and more money. Again, like a video game, you keep leveling up. I've leveled up in money over the years. I've also leveled up in life. Having money has allowed me the freedom and the choices to travel, to meet people around the world, to buy houses, to buy real estate, to buy, stocks. I'm failing fast, whereas most people wouldn't have that experience of starting a family young, or buying real estate properties or investment properties young, or stocks. I've been able to do that because of the freedom and the choices that I get with affiliate marketing, whereas somebody working a corporate job would not do any of this until 40s or 50s, until they're way further on in their career. So affiliate marketing gives you all these choices. You have nothing to lose by doing it. Now, if that motivated you to start affiliate marketing, just say, I'm starting now, okay? Say starting now in the comments, because there's no reason not to get started. And if you want to learn some of my paid traffic methods as well, if you want to learn how to do paid advertising, I have a playlist I will put a link to in the description or in the comments or something, or one of my students, if you guys could, if you could link to it for me, the playlist about free, how to do pay-per-click with AdWords, that'll be great. And I have a ton of content here for you guys. So many methods to make marketing, so many successful students making gobloads of cash. It's really exciting. You're gonna see some of them shortly in my next videos, but I look forward to seeing you. Type in I'm a start now. Say starting now in the comments if you're gonna do this for 2020.